Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to set custom bios on Tinder. So open the Tinder application on your mobile device. So just move in the profile icon which is right bottom and you must tap on this pencil icon. This is your edit profile. So after this you will see this is my photos which I post on Tinder. So here is the option about me. So there are very options in this, but you may stop on about me. So in general, avoid negativity. Put information in your Tinder bio about what you like to do, your job. Don't use the words grind or hustle ever. Your hobbies, whatever, rather than what you hate. Same for hing prompts. Don't use them to complain about things. It doesn't make you seem interesting. So write a brief description of yourself. So hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.